artists. Ready to hit the road and learn how to draw a super cool car? Buckle up and get ready for a fun ride. Today, we're going to show you step by step how to draw your very own car. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So, grab your markers and let's rev up our creativity. First things first, let's draw the wheels of our car. Start by drawing the front wheel. Then move on to the back wheel. Make sure they're nice and round. Now, let's sketch out the body of our car. Draw a sleek shape that connects the two wheels, giving our car its classic look. Time to add some pizzazz. Draw the windows on the sides of the car. And don't forget the door handle. Let's also add the headlights at the front and the backlight at the back to light up our car. To make our car look extra fancy, let's draw an extra wheel at the back. This will give our car some extra stability and style. Once our car is all sketched out, let's go over the lines with our marker to make them bold and sharp. This will make our car stand out on the road. Are you ready to add some color to our car? Let's bring out our color pens and start coloring. As we color, let's name each color we use. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Light blue color. Fantastic job, little drivers! You've drawn an awesome car that's ready to hit the road in style. Keep practicing your drawing skills and let your imagination steer the way. Until next time, happy drawing and keep cruising! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.